Greetings, I'm Elar.
And I'm BT. Welcome to our Did You Know webisodes.
In this webisode, we will talk about beveling the edge of the core insulation during installation of the Euromold connectors. So let's get to it. Carefully read the installation instruction that came with the kit in order to perform the correct preparation for the specific cable you have at hand.
For most cable types, the first steps are the removal of the cable outer sheet and removal of the semiconductive screen.
Then, remove the core insulation from the conductor. Standard core insulation removal tools will leave a sharp 90-degree edge on the insulation. If not taken care of, this might damage the inside of the cable accessory during installation.
A sharp edge will also scrape off silicone grease, making it more difficult to install the cable adapter for the connector.
So, to avoid damage and to assure an easy slip-on of the cable accessory, the edge of the core insulation should be beveled using an appropriate tool.
Tools that provide a 45-degree chamfer are often used in the field, but tools that provide a smooth radius are even better.
For some conductor sizes, an installation tool is available to further ease the installation of the cable adapter.
That's it for this episode.
Thanks for watching and take care.